Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Well, it's a little bit breezy. The greenhouse it's holding up, but not very well. I have been hauling and working and loading and helping somebody else off the property all day for some extra money on my day off. But I also have been working on the homestead a lot. I'm cleaning up over here. That's where the lumber mill used to be, and I put the trailer back in there. All the logs are going to be firewood, and you'll notice something here, something different. I've got the lumber mill has its own trailer. Now this, you guys might remember, I don't know if I told you or not, last year I stripped a camper out and I got to keep anything inside it for free. Well, I got a beautiful enameled antique wood cook stove with it's tiny, it's a single burner wood cook stove with an oven. Really beautiful, in very, very good clean shape. The only flaw was the plastic front handle was broke off. It's shielded and just beautiful. So that was in there, in that old camper. And I got to keep the trailer itself, which I stripped down to the bare metal frame. And that's the new home of the lumber mill. So right now I got some cedar planks on there just for some decking, but I'm going to put proper boards around the mill. I'm going to rebuild the legs of the mill, rebuild the framing of it, and put heavy-duty cross bracing underneath it across the frame of the trailer itself so that the mill rests on that. And I might redo the legs with new ones so that the legs come down on where each cross member of the trailer comes across, so that all the weight is distributed evenly and fairly on the trailer. And then the metal I'll leave open and empty so all the sawdust can fall through to the bottom down to the ground. And then I'm going to have walkways all the way around the outer edge and on the front deck and the back deck. Now in Michigan, this is perfectly legal to pull down the road without license plates. Now I'm just going to put some lights on it and fenders. You got to have that, but it doesn't need license plates. And I'm going to paint it probably next spring. I'll paint this. I'll take everything off, paint it nicely, rebuild the lumber mill properly on new framing, and have a very, very good mobile lumber mill. And then I'm going to put a little bit of a roof over the top, just a little bit of a shelter, so that I can work on it in all weather. And then I can put a solar panel on top and a battery, and have some lights in there so I can work at any time of day or night in any weather. And I'll have this front face open, and I'm going to put removable ramps so I can pull logs right up onto there, and I'll probably set up a winch to make that even easier on my back. But there, guys, is the new lumber mill, and that's probably where it's going to stay for now. But the tires are, 3 of them are broke off their beads. I drove really slow and I didn't have very far to go, and one was still holding air. So I'm going to take them off, take them into the garage, and have them pumped up for me. I'll give them a wash down. So there's some cobwebs and junk in them. But they're good rubber, very, very good rubber. I'll actually show you. Incredible, even where it was squished, there's a flat spot. Where is it? You can see here, there's no dry rot. I am so amazed. There's no dry rot. It's 4-plies nylon cord. So I think it's very, very old. Because the old nylon, isn't that like the 1950s? I think they did the old nylon tires, and when you first get it going down the road, they go whoop, 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 and bounce until you get them rolling. I remember my dad's 53 Ford did that. When you first got it rolling, the tires bounced a little bit. But yeah, I think they're good. They're very, very good. And I also bought some silicone. I'm going to spray them with some tire protectant that is going to hopefully extend their lives a little bit. But the inside of the rims are not even rusty, so I think I probably broke the beads pulling the trailer out of its hole. They didn't have air, but they looked like they might have been on the rims. But I broke the beads pulling them around. I surely broke the beads pulling them around. But anyway, there it is, the new home of the lumber mill. And that's gonna be it. That's gonna help me. I'll be able to take it out into the forest and make lumber by the trees, and instead of trying to bring the trees up here, because I don't have a tractor or any way to do all that. But I sure can just back a trailer on into the woods. And I know anybody who knows lumber mills knows that having a mobile lumber mill like this, portable, on a trailer, means money in the bank right there. So that was one of the things I did today. Getting that all set up, haul it over, get it set up, put my trailer in between the sheds so it's out of sight, cleaning the place up, making it look good. A lot of stuff going on, but this video is about the lumber mill. So tell me what you think, guys. Mobile lumber mill. I know that those of you who know lumber mills knows that's a big deal. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. And right there is self-sufficiency on wheels. You can do so much with that. Talk to you all later.